Google search Crack Your Free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to Cracko video series. This is a quick reminder about the CAT 2021 exam registration deadline. So the last date to fill the form for the CAT 2021 exam is September 15, that is tomorrow, till 5 pm. So if you haven't already filled the form, please fill the form soon. Or if you have filled the form and haven't submitted it, or if you filled it partially, please complete the form filling process now and make sure you submit the form as soon as possible. So if possible, try to submit the form today to avoid any last minute hassles. And as we all know, the date of exam is November 28, 2021, that is Sunday, and the admit cards will be released on October 27, 2021, and the results will be announced in the first or second week of Jan. So the exam will be held on 28th in 3 slots, and the registration fees for the exam is 1100 for the SC, ST and PWD candidates, and it's 2200 for all others. And the CAT 2021 exam is going to be held in 158 test centers. And if we quickly take a look at the exam pattern for the CAT 2021, we know CAT 2021 is going to be a 2-hour exam, and this is the exam pattern based on CAT 2020, and this pattern is expected to remain the same. So in CAT 2020 there are 26 questions in VARC, 24 questions in LRDI and 26 questions in Quant, with a total of 76 questions overall. We know each correct answer will be awarded 3 marks, and for every wrong answer there is a negative marking of 1 mark, except for the theta questions. And also at this stage of preparation, it's extremely important that you give more mocks and analyze them thoroughly. You can enroll to our CAT mock series wherein you will be getting 15 national level CAT mocks with video solutions and detailed analysis. These mocks are closest to the actual CAT, and these are taken by a wide base of students. So you will be getting detailed solutions with national level percentile, and since these mocks are taken by a wide base of students, this will help you gauge your performance against the performance of others, and this will help you understand where you stand and improve accordingly. Additionally, you will also be getting 45 sectional tests, that is 15 each in VARC, LRDI and Quants, and these mocks and sectionals are based on the latest pattern of the exam. You can enroll to these mocks and sectionals on our website cracko.in for rupees 1499 only, which includes detailed video solutions for the CAT mocks and also detailed analysis for each mock. The link for the same is provided in the description box below, so you can check it out. And if you are someone who is planning to start the preparation seriously from now, you can also enroll to our crash course. So for the aspirants who are planning to start their preparation, this crash course will provide you with a rigorous and well-tailored study plan that will help you ace the CAT examination. So we have a 2-month crash course starting from September 20, that is the coming Monday. And this is a very comprehensive course. This will help you quickly review the basics of all the concepts that you must learn in these 2 months to crack the CAT exam. So we have detailed videos covering the entire CAT syllabus, and you will be getting access to all the videos upon enrollment. And once you learn the concept, for a good amount of practice, you can go to our study room wherein you can get access to 16,000 plus questions with detailed solutions. And these questions are sorted by difficulty level. So these are an excellent source of practice. You'll also be getting 50 national level mocks and 45 sectional tests. And these 50 mocks include 15 mocks for the CAT, and the remaining mocks are for all the other MBA entrance exams such as XAT, IAFT, SNAP, MHCET, CMAT and so on. So if you're preparing for other MBA entrance exams along with CAT, these resources will be extremely useful to you. And as mentioned earlier, you'll also be getting detailed mock analysis with national percentile. Additionally, you will be getting full access to our CAT daily target and 100 plus concept notes and solved example sets. And once you enroll for the course, you can also post your doubts below the question or that video and get them answered immediately by the experts. Here we also provide a very detailed schedule that you should follow, and if you can simply keep up with the schedule and follow the batch tasks, take the mocks and analyze them thoroughly, this will help you crack the exam. And even if you haven't joined the batch, you can see the schedule on our website cracko.in, and you can simply follow that schedule. So this schedule includes which concepts you should follow on which day, so that you can cover all the key concepts in this 2 or 2.5 months. So you can take a printout of it and put it in front of you, and you can simply follow that. Also, you can join our Telegram group So you can join our Telegram group for MBA aspirants where you can post and discuss your exam related queries with your peers and also the exam experts. Peer learning is extremely important for an exam like CAT. So joining this Telegram group will be very beneficial during your preparation. So we have provided the link for the Telegram group in the description box. So do check it out. And apart from that, if you have any other doubts regarding the batch, kindly email us at support@kraku.in, or you can also WhatsApp or call us on this number 630-323-9042 so that we'll be able to address your queries immediately. So thank you so much guys and all the best for your preparation.